Vericlone Tissue Technology is a venture that specializes in cultivating and supplying nursery plants and tissue culture plants. Located just 70 km from Mumbai city in Talegaon, Dabhai. The company commenced its operation in 1980 by Maharudra Sherikar. His son, Mr. Rishikesh Sherikar, took over the region of business in 2013. Rishikesh not only consolidated the company but also diversified into various production activities. Vericlone is the single source destination of all kinds of nursery plants. Vericlone spread over 7 hectares. We also have advanced infrastructure facility in the industry. We have almost 325 varieties including fruit plant, palm trees, forest trees, avenue trees, pot plants and climbers. With our technical expertise and vast experience in this field, we have been able to carve out a niche in the national and international market as a reliable entity in the domain of horticulture. Some of our pot plant varieties are produced with tissue culture method. Some of our flowering varieties are from renowned breeders across the globe. We are the prominent importer of flowering and ornamental plants. Doing business with us is like walking down a path enriched by tradition, quality, respect for nature, and attention to details all through the process. At the end, we will see the finest quality of pot plants, nursery plants. Some of our specialized plants that we produce are Diphyllonia, Heliconia, Axora, Aglaonema. We also have different species in Indian native trees. As Vericlone production is done by climate control polyhouse where temperature and light can be maintained as required. Vericlone Tissue Culture Lab where high-tech meets horticulture. Plants are grown on a jelly-like substance called agar in sterile laboratory conditions. This allows for the rapid bulking up and production of new varieties that are difficult to produce through vegetative propagation. The resulting material is referred to as tissue culture or vitro material before it is reintroduced into the pots. Vericlone has 3000 square feet modern art laboratory for about 1 million plants production. Greenhouse facility for hardening the plants. Vericlone continues to build upon its 38-year tradition of reliability and service by embracing progress in plant propagation, growing and testing that pushes the boundaries